मागील काही दिवसांपूर्वी पर्यटन खात्यात डस्टबिन घोटाळा झाला असल्याचा संशय बिगर सरकारी संस्थेनं व्यक्त केला होता। हा घोटाळा झाल्याचे कागदपत्र आरटीआयच्या माध्यमातून हाती लागले असून याला जबाबदार असलेल्या अधिकारी आणि पर्यटन मंत्र्यांनाही पदावरून काढून टाका अशी मागणी मुख्यमंत्री सावंत यांच्याकडे करण्यात आली आहे। हा संपूर्ण घोटाळा 64 लाखाचा असल्याचा दावा करण्यात आलाय।
Now we have filed in Lok Ayuktha 2 days back. Okay, I have given you the note, press note on this. Our demands are simple. We have just asked the Lok Ayuktha in our petition to recover the dues जे पैसे फ्रॉड झाले ते आणि दुसरे ते कोण इन्वॉल्ड हा गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसर तांकां सस्पेंड करचे आणि माझे मागणे चीफ मिनिस्टर कडेन की टुरिजम मिनिस्टराक सॅक करचो नाल्यार ऑन द ग्राउंड दॅट ही कॅनॉट हँडल हीज डिपार्टमेंट प्रॉपरली ही शूड गिव हीज रेजिग्नेशन. दिस इज आवर डिमांड बिकॉज दिस इज ऑल हॅपन maybe with his knowledge or maybe without his knowledge. He should take the responsibility what is happened. And finally, we leave it on the court, on the Lok Ayuktha for justice. Thank you. Kiramda, 64 lakhs. Only dustbin scam. We are talking only dustbin scam. We are not talking on beach cleaning here. Only dustbin, 64 lakhs. সকলে manipulated bills are we have produced. I don't want to talk much on that because it is already given to Lok Ayuktha. Anything else? Junan, he is on leave, so I think first notice will be issued in June. Yeah, and there is also a vigilance inquiry complaint filed by us where the inquiry is going on. I have given my statement and all, so they are in process of doing it. So I don't want to comment more on that. That's all. Sorry, ma'am. No deadline for whom? For the court. I can't give deadline to the court. No. How can I tell the Lok Ayuktha to finish the matter in 1 month? For resignation, the CM, I think next week we would take an appointment with the CM also and explain him about what is, because I have already given him a letter on this and he has not replied back. Maybe he was busy with the elections, that's why he has not done it. So what I will do is, we'll meet him and we will brief him about it. And I will ask the CM to look into it and give us a specific time. Alright? One minute away to cover you. None mother. Yeah, we have made Drishti also in party into this. So we will not like to go deep into this. Now Drishti is the main, it is connived with Drishti and the government. The official with government and Drishti, they are all together. So let the Lok Ayuktha decide now. I only request that on moral ground, the tourism minister should step down because what this is mess created is under his department and he should take fully responsibility of his department and he should resign or the CM should sack him. Lok Ayuktha, Friday. 19th.